Do you want to order goods from online stores in Europe and the USA and have everything delivered to your country? Check out the Meest Shopping service instructions and learn how to buy and deliver from those online stores that do not have direct delivery to your country. Step 1. How to sign up for the myMeest Shopping mobile application. To sign up in the myMeest Shopping mobile application, you need to log in to the App Store or Play Market, enter myMeest Shopping in the search field, and download the application. After opening the application, click Create a new account. Enter your email address and select your country. A confirmation email will be sent to the email address you provided. Open it and click Confirm, create a password and click Next. Fill in your first and last name and click Start. Welcome to the myMeest Shopping app. Don't forget to go to the menu and select Edit Profile. Add your residential address by entering your country, street, house number, apartment number, postal code, add your phone number and enter your password. Click Add Address. Specify your gender, date of birth and click Save. Now you have a personal ID number and addresses of foreign warehouses to which you can deliver your online purchases. Step 2. How to make a purchase in a foreign online store. Choose an online store and sign up there. Enter your first name, last name, email address, and create a password. After registering, select the products you want to buy and add them to your cart. For convenience, go to the myMeest Shopping application. On the control panel, select the menu in the right corner and go to the section, Your Meest Addresses. Find the country in which you will buy and copy all the necessary data, first name with ID number, last name, address of the warehouse, including city, country, postcode of the representative office in the country of purchase and phone number. Fill in all the payment details and make a purchase. After the online store transfers your order to the delivery service, you will receive a tracking number to your email address that you need to register in the myMeest Shopping mobile application. Important. For goods from online stores in Spain and Portugal, you need to register the order number. It is generated after payment of the order and is available on your email address. Step 3. How to register a tracking number in the myMeest Shopping mobile application. To register the tracking number or order number of the goods in the menu of the myMeest Shopping application, select the Order section and click Register Package. Select the address of the country to which you order the goods from the online store and click Next. Enter the tracking number or order number received from the online store and click Next. Now click Add Product, fill in the required information and click Save, and then click Next. Choose the Create the Shipment method, and as soon as your product arrives at the warehouse, it will be shipped immediately, or keep it for consolidation, in which case the goods will be stored in the warehouse until a shipment is created, and click Next. Optionally, enter your own notes for your shipment and click Register Package. As soon as your order arrives at our representative office, you will receive a notification and will be able to place the shipment. Important. For goods from online stores in Spain and Portugal, you need to register the order number. It is generated after payment of the order and is available on your email address. Step 4. How to register the address of the recipient in the myMeest Shopping mobile app. In the myMeest Shopping app menu, select the Recipient Address section and click plus in the upper right corner. Enter the name of the address, select the country and delivery method. Then enter the required data as street, region, city, house and apartment number, and zip code and click Next. Be sure to enter the recipient's first name, last name and phone number. Click Add Address. Step 5. How to create and send a parcel to your country from the myMeest Shopping app. In the myMeest Shopping app, select an Order section, click on the desired order and click Ship. Now select the previously created address, type of delivery and note that you understand that all shipments, including the minimum clearance cost, are subject to customs clearance and payment of customs duties, and click Next. If necessary, select Additional Services, click Next, enter any necessary notes, agree to the shipping terms and conditions, and click Next. To optimize the process of passing customs control, add additional documents, such as an invoice from a store or a bank statement, and click Ship. You will receive an email with the details of the shipment. After that, expect a letter about processing of the shipment by the warehouse staff and invoicing. You can also track your parcel on the main page of the app by entering the tracking number in the Enter the Tracking Number field or clicking on the shipment you want to track. All the data about the parcel will appear on the screen. Step 6. How to pay for the delivery service from the myMeest Shopping mobile app. In the myMeest Shopping app, go to the menu, Payments section, select one or more parcels for payment, enter a promo code if available and click Pay, fill in the payment card details, payment card number, card expiration date, click Pay. Congratulations, the payment has been successfully completed. Wait for the parcel